How to export Canva to PowerPoint with animation for beginners. Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can export the animated Canva as a PowerPoint into PowerPoint. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. First thing first, open up your canva.com. After that, head over to your account and log in. Just head over to the animated presentation that you want to export to your PowerPoint. For example, this one right here that I'm showing on the screen right now, for example, this one from my point of view. After that, this is an animated PowerPoint. So in order to export it, you just need to tap you can see this to animated one. So I want to export both of them. So in order to do that, I'm just gonna head over to the share tab at the top. You can find the share icon, just tap on it, and after tapping on it, when I tap on it, you'll be finding this option called download. We'll be finding that option. Just tap on download, click on download. After that, you can find this file type. Make sure to make this file type, drop it down, and when you scroll down a bit, you should be able to find a GIF option. Just make sure you have selected this option called GIF. After that, you may just select how many pages you want to export to, like how many pages there are available. After that, simply click on download and wait for the download to be completed onto your device. After that is done, you would just head over to the PowerPoint, just close this after the download is complete, and head over to the PowerPoint section. After that, under PowerPoint, just go to insert tab, and after that, go to picture sections. After going to the picture section, you may just select this device, and after selecting this device, just choose the PowerPoint presentation that we just exported, download it onto device, and that's how you basically download, export it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.